In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send photo. In WhatsApp, be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp application. Then go to chat. And then just open up some conversation from here. If you would like to send a photo, we need to tap at that plus. And then we can tap that camera. If we would like to take a picture and immediately send it to that conversation, we can just make a photo and then to send it. Tap at that button also. If we tap right here and select photo, and the video library will be able to choose a photo. From our camera roll, we can just tap at some picture. And then tap right here to send it. That's how you can easily send photo in WhatsApp.